I am not PNP. I am not JLP. I'm proud to say I'm 100% Jamaican. Both of my parents are Jamaican. I have my citizenship. I have my passport, so leave me alone. When it comes to politics, I think of myself as a referee, a fan of no side, but a serious love for the game and want to see what's best for the overall sport, or country in this case. With that being said, I will work hand in hand with any side at any point in time for the good of my fellow Jamaicans. How can I make a decision in color or group make me turn my back on a fellow Jamaican? If I have a scholarship for a young student and they receive it in a green tie, should I turn them away? If I have a book bag full of school supplies for a primary school student, should I turn them away because their parent shows up in an orange tie? Divide and conquer is a well known and proven plan in war and control. So, in a country with 3 million people with limited resources, why would we further lessen our brain and money pool on the international scale by splitting sides? You can have checks and balances without drawing a large line in the sand and telling people to choose which side to stand on. So, to the leaders of the JLP and PNP, I hope this stance will not prevent us from working together on any level at any point in time. I honestly hope to host members of both sides on this page together, talking about Jamaica and not just politics. Oh, and if you ask me, PNP missed a target with their color. They should have chose yellow instead. Imagine a sea of green and yellow as people going to vote. Whether they're cheering for which side, who cares? But there's this unity and this look of the flag out in the crowd. That would have been amazing.